A man's life lies between two letters of English, B and D, where B stands for birth and D death. In between comes C, his choices during his lifetime. And my choice was Modern Girls College of Professional Studies. Hi, I'm Jaya from Modern Girls College and I pursued BCom Honours, the batch of 2016-2019. So, from bringing championship trophy home to becoming champions, we became actual modernites, and I take pride in calling my college's name as one of the best colleges in the town. From academics to the faculty, both have played an important role in making what I am today. Talking about the cultural activities, we go to different colleges not because we have to participate, but because we have to win and come back home as a champion. Talking about various committees in the college and the faculty saw potential in the students and decided to form various committees.
The various committees are the sports committee, the cultural committee, the media and PR committee, the art and craft committee, the academic committee, the technical committee.
For students who live far from the college provides transport facility which not only satisfies the parents but also the students, as they don't have to think about where and how to commute. Last but not the least, the college has made me what I am today. The faculty and the entire college environment has made the women in me stand as individual.